might be wondering if I tried just blending in the oats without turning it into flour, and yes, of course I did. But I found that while being quicker, it wasn't as smooth and creamy at the end. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you know my love of oatmeal. So yep, I had to make an oatmeal smoothie. Enjoy! Coming on just to say hello and thank you so much for watching this video. Even though it was short and sweet, I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. There will be more videos coming soon, so keep your eye out. And honestly, with all these fun TikTok oatmeal recipes, I can't guarantee it won't be another oatmeal recipe. If you have another idea of something you would rather watch me make, then leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you all soon. Bye!